Hi everyone, ahojte! Today in Linguarte we would like to show you how to make the physical description. Also, we will give you some examples and practices for you to learn. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe so you will receive notifications as soon as we upload a new one. Also, you can follow us on Instagram and Facebook, where you can find more interesting information about Slovak language. Finally, you can find a link in the description where you can download a document with this lesson and practices. Let's start! Začíname! There are many ways to make description in Slovak language. We can use the verb byť, to be, or the verb mať, to have. We need to add some description words, either adjectives or nouns. The question for the physical description is ako on vyzerá, ako ona vyzerá. How does he look like? How does she looks like? Let's start with the verb byť, whose forms are these. After this, we can use some adjectives. These adjectives change the ending according to their gender, feminine versus masculine, or if they are plural or singular. Vysoký, vysoká versus nízky, nízka. Mladý, starý. Young, old. Zlý, dobrý. Bad, good. Silný, slabý. Strong, weak. Pekný, škaredý. Beautiful, ugly. Chudý, tučný. Slim, fat. Here's some examples. On je vysoký, mladý a chudý. Ona je slabá, pekná a nízka. If we want to make descriptions using the verb mať, to have, these are the forms in present tense. Then we can describe the hair saying rovné versus kučeravé, straight versus curly hair, dlhé, krátke, long and short hair. Some examples are ja mám rovné vlasy, I have straight hair, my máme dlhé vlasy, we have long hair. The colors of the hair are described like this: hnedé vlasy, brown hair, blonde vlasy, blonde hair, ryšavé vlasy, ginger hair, čierne vlasy, black hair. Also, with the verb mať, we can describe the color of the eyes like this: modré oči, blue eyes, hnedé oči, brown eyes, zelené oči, green eyes. Then you can say on má hnedé vlasy a modré oči. Ty máš hnedé oči a čierne vlasy. Other possibilities with the verb mať are mať bradu, to have a beard, mať okuliare, to have glasses, mať fúzy, to have a mustache, mať pehy, to have freckles. It's time to practice. He is young, tall and slim. On je mladý, vysoký a chudý. She is short, beautiful and slim. Ona je nízka, krásna a chudá. He has brown and straight hair. On má hnedé a rovné vlasy. Great practice! Thank you very much for learning with us. We hope you found this lesson useful and continue practicing Slovak language with other of our videos. Also, write in the comments what other phrases you would like to study. See you in the next video. Bye! Ciao!